Welcome to our new series Indian Meal Prep, where we're sharing recipes which are high protein Indian vegetarian recipes that actually taste good. Today we're going to show you how to make our high protein paneer skewers, which have 50 grams of protein when served with our flatbreads. To start things off, we're going to make the marinade for our paneer. So into a large bowl you're going to add some yogurt along with roasted gram flour, salt, turmeric powder, chili powder, garam masala and chaat masala along with dhana jeeru and ginger paste. This spice mix is the perfect blend of spices to really add a nice flavour to the paneer. You're going to mix this well and then add juice of half a lemon and a small bunch of chopped methi, and again mix really well. Once that's all mixed through, you're going to add everything you need for the skewers. So we're going in with some chopped paneer, peppers and cherry tomatoes. Give that all a good mix so everything is nice and covered with that marinade. You then want to cover this and place it in a fridge for about 2 to 3 hours. This really gives some time for the flavours to develop. While the paneer is marinating, you can make the coleslaw for the skewers. In a large bowl we're going in with some shredded cabbage, grated carrots and yogurt and sour cream. Along with this you're going to add some mustard, salt and pepper and some apple cider vinegar. Making healthier coleslaw using yogurt as a base is a great way to add more protein to this meal. You again want to mix this really well to make sure everything is nice and coated, and then you can leave this to one side till later. When you're ready to eat, you want to assemble your skewers as we've done here. Once they're all assembled, we're going to cook them on the grill. So we've got a nice hot grill here, which is a non-stick grill, and we've added our skewers onto this. You want to cook it for a few minutes on each side. If your grill is not non-stick or you're using a griddle pan, you might want to brush with some oil before placing the skewers on. Once they've cooked, they'll look something like this. You then want to assemble your skewers. We've used our high protein flatbreads as a base, added that high protein coleslaw along with those delicious skewers. And there you have it, a high protein Indian vegetarian meal with 50 grams of protein per serving.